Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 158 with a market cap of about $286 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume for about $104 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? And so for last week, cumulatively, we saw YFI push a whopping to the downside, 1.6% to the downside. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and our Binance is the data source, right? And as you know, every beginning of the week, right, Sundays like this, we love to just have a projection for what we expect the week could be right here for the several coins we are looking at, right? And YFI in this case, right, we have our projections, and we have been doing that using the help of our AI, right? Our AI basically uses regression analysis, which basically means it looks at all the past data and tries to forecast what we could see this week right here for YFI, right? And so we have our values in right here for YFI. And as you can see, our AI is basically right somehow just not bullish and not bearish right here for YFI, as our AI is basically just expecting some sort of range like price action right here for YFI, right? And so basically at the end of the week, we could see YFI right there at that $8,900 level right here for YFI. Basically just a huge sideways price action and not very bullish price action right here for YFI. This is something we can see, we have observed with YFI. YFI looks could have a long sideways action and just see that impulsive push to the upside, right? And so that could see YFI from currently where we are. We could just see YFI move another 2 to 3% to the upside at the end of the week, right? Not a large move for YFI. But this is consistent with YFI, as we see YFI most of the time moves in this sort of sideways action and just see this sort of blowout to the top, right? And so AI is basically expecting some sort of sideways price action this week right here for YFI. And so that is the update right here for YFI. And so if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.